Good
morning,
it's so
everybody.
long?
I don't know why it lasts longer today, but it lasts longer. Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader. This is Marie.
Hola.
We are a little bit late today. We had something to solve. So, this market having a slightly colder than expected CPI number. So, probably acting positively to that is a good news, I think. But let's see what the overall market is trying to do. So, Marie, Zach, how are you doing? How are you guys doing?
Excellent. Little cold, like I said, but hey, it's beautiful sunshine. And you, Zach?
Doing pretty good.
Very nice. Yeah. So,
And you, Daisy?
yeah, I'm doing very good, very good. Everything quiet, as you say, a little bit too cold. Like yesterday, I came from work and it was like I didn't have even a jacket. Like it was like so warm that like windows down, everything's so nice.
It's nice one.
So yeah, guys, the market is open. We didn't have the time to check everything. Based on that, I'm gonna be taking it very patient. I'm gonna be looking at the regular thing I look. But we have INTC really popping up.
Yeah, it's number one right now in
in
volume.
volume, yeah, exactly. So
Oh, no, NVIDIA just took it.
Nvidia just took it. Okay, so let's read that tape and see what we find on the. So right now 1450, big guy at 1450 on Nvidia. So I don't know, what are you trading? In case maybe I can sync with you.
Right now I'm looking at NVIDIA, so I see it very rangy because, and right now SPY is interacting with the VWAP, so that in itself, big wicks going down. So it seems to be wicking the VWAP and the 50 EMA. That the 115 is absolutely, like you said, giant. Well, it was a 50. Now we've got a position at 115 that's just ginormous. It's over 2,000 lot on NVIDIA, so which is crazy. So I'm going to see what NVIDIA is going to be doing at 115. It seems to be fueling SPY. SPY is taking off, and if we're looking at wow, is my and we didn't check. So if we're looking at the top three, top four,
I'm trying
top
to go
five.
long at 14, 15, 14,
Okay,
14.
so PLTR could be a good one because it's pulling back for 82. It should pull back at 82.50 to get that person at 82.50. There's a 500 lot, so I'm going to try to go long on PLTR at 82.50, depending on if it is able to pull it back there. Because right now it is pulling back, it seems to be good. It hasn't pulled back to the VWAP. It might not even give us there.
I canceled my order on Nvidia.
Okay.
I'm gonna go the other way. The other way means I'm gonna go short.
Okay.
So that really represents a problem for Nvidia.
So when we're looking, I just want to point out the first volume at the open, the candle. Yeah, I didn't think so, eh? So I am still waiting on PLTR to pull back. But look at the volume candle at
Good morning.
The first one. Good morning, Larry. So at the first candle on SPY, now it's forming a second candle in the 2 minutes. So I am going to be sitting a little bit. I am interested, like in PLTR, like I said.
Nvidia could be along. I just like I'm going counter there because I saw it having trouble with the 1450. But yeah, let's see. I see the guy you see at 15. Huge size, like 2,000.
Yeah, exactly. So that's really huge, but it seems to be repelling. So right now we've got NVIDIA, SPY is still popping up. It doesn't seem like it's going to be offering that 82.50 for PLTR, so I might be
At
taking
84,
a
I'm going
little
short
bit.
PLTR.
Okay. So you're short now?
Yes, I am. As I say, not that I necessarily believe a lot in those shorts. They just seems to have Nvidia like really clear up right now. So going higher is good. We're gonna let it breathe, Nvidia. So let's see if PLTR is able to hold or not. So I did the same trade basically in both of them, PLTR and Nvidia. And right now I am just seeing like Nvidia. I want to look a little bit closer, but Nvidia definitely watch out for like 15. Very good trade. Like I mean, I don't know if you got the Nvidia.
No.
But they're really trying to fly right now. NVDA. The fact that it cleared a big order at the 15, I think is gonna be a good news for the long. Yeah, let's see if it really want to manifest. So PLTR, the reason why I short PLTR is a little bit different. Like I mean, in Nvidia, my next target to try will be 1550, but that I would like to see the indexes pulling back a little bit more. As Nvidia, that will be the extension. I don't know if you remember. It's just like I seems to have good memory today, and that 1550 was the previous big level of interest. So and we already went there. So I don't want to give it another shot just because the index may go higher. Let's see. But
So
yeah,
right now it's interacting. So we've got SPY interacting with the VWAP and seems to be gaining strength. So I did take long on NVIDIA. Printing now.
I think I want to add to PLTR, but yeah, Nvidia popping up this 1550. So as I say, it's too early. Market is very narrowing right now. Like the SPY is very narrow, so I'm gonna keep it quiet. But reading the tape live is a little bit different because we don't have our lines. But still good, still good.
Well, I'm breaking even with NVIDIA, so it's going to be a, because when we're looking at the tape, the 116 on NVIDIA is very, very strong. Then we've got 116.30 and it keeps popping up. Is it going to be enough to give it momentum? Let's see. Definitely SPY. I like the way that it's respecting the VWAP. It is not pulling back too much. So I like this. So
I add to PLTR now. I know I increased my risk by a little bit, but I think it's not gonna be able to make a higher high. I'm not sure about that. I just like that price seems to be resisting a lot. So like yeah, as I say, just add a little bit more risky, but that trade makes sense to me. If it clears up, it's gonna be two shot that are gonna be red, but that's okay. So we're gonna let it see what it wants to do. PLTR making a higher high. I should allow it to make a higher high, but not to go too far from there. You have NVDA right, NVDA. Okay, PLTR now is gonna break higher apparently. Let's see. NVDA.
okay, 116 now. It
Any
did
trade, Zach?
wick a 116, so
Looking for PLTR short maybe.
Okay.
So I'm only looking that because I think SPY will break the duo.
Okay.
Look at the wick from the
Huge
upside.
wick.
On the SPY?
Yeah, the upside wick is.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, like this trade on PLTR, you were here, I think, that day that we were talking about that extension. Like, and I know it happened many days, so it has less value right now. The extension at 84. You remember I was mistaken with the 82 instead of the 84. That for Nvidia was 1550, like right there, basically, like in the way down there. It makes sense, but I don't want to take it because.
Look at that on SPY.
SPY is going through, pulling back.
Perfect.
I got my short on the PLTR. Oh la la.
There we
Got
go.
me out, break even, perfect.
Or
What was that, Zach?
I got the
You
short
go here.
right when it broke,
Nice.
and got instantly 2 R's in the money.
Nice. Yeah, it's stocks are struggling to go higher. They are going higher for sure. I like everything. Like look, Nvidia 6% up, INTC 5% up, Tesla 8%, PLTR 7%. So is it smart to look for a short? I don't think so. But like you got out there now, it's popping up again.
Look at the level I put.
Very nice.
Perfect level.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Tape on NVIDIA is definitely long, so I went back in.
I want to look at the tape on PLTR just because Yeah, that tape is very lean. Like I mean,
So it's just for NVIDIA. For me, it's going to see, I want to, it's not enough. I'm going to keep an eye on it, but there's definitely not enough participation for it to go crazy. So I am going to be very good at popping out of the trade very quickly. Now SPY is interacting with the VWAP. Okay, so we do have participation. Okay, participation, we've got a big position at 117, 250 lot. So SPY is re-interacting with the VWAP right now. If we're looking at the RSI, it's definitely popping. Okay, so 80 cents in the money for NVIDIA. I am looking again, RSI very strong on NVIDIA. 117, there seems to be momentum. 117, oof, we found a little bit of sellers there, but that's okay.
I'm tempted to be out of PLTR. But I need to look at SPY maybe for me to be able to say that a little bit better.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I should be okay there.
Really choppy, actually.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Still
I think I'm gonna
buyers.
take profit.
Still buyers for SPY. Still buyers for SPY. Yep, it is crossing now. Big wick though, like you guys say. Very choppy. What a wick. What a wick.
Like the question for me today is that tape on PLTR gonna be able to do the same that it did yesterday, where that offer was very stacked everywhere, and we went through like if there were nothing. So today we are lighter and we are selling kind of bit. I know we are way higher, like 84 is way higher, so it makes sense. Though the question is it gonna be able to hold or is it really gonna go down with the SPY, which is kind of pulling back right now. We
Still
have to-
interacting with that level. And is wicking it to the penny. To
So-
the penny.
SPY is green 1.1%. So we have to be very nimble in these market
It
conditions.
wicked it again to the penny, that level. 561.58 I have. So let's see, I'm checking to see if the tape has reversed. Oof, we do have a little bit of a battle there on NVIDIA, but we still find some sellers and buyers everywhere. Okay, there we go, there we go. I'm liking what's happening.
This market is crazy.
Absolutely
Yeah.
mental, absolutely
If you
mental.
look at SPY, it's 161, 64.
Yeah.
I change chart, come back, it's 162.
That top on PLTR is becoming very heavy there. So once it is too heavy, you're just gonna drop on it, and we're gonna see what is going to happen. I have a long time without seeing that happening, so I'm not sure about that because, as I say, a long time that I don't see that happening. But with the volume we are having there, we should be having some advancement, and we
Okay,
are not having.
it is
advancement.
going through that.
Not yet, Marie.
No,
Not
no,
yet.
level.
I know, but not yet. Oh, in yours, yes.
Yeah.
In mine, no. It's
No, in mine, it's going through my level, but just wicked it for now. Is it going to pull back? And
Yeah, that PLTR required a lot of patience. I thought it eventually broke higher by the penny, but didn't hold at all. So yeah, let's see. The CPI print, as I say, was positive.
mhm.
So does that mean that something fundamentally changed? No, it's just a number. That indicates things from last month, not even this one. So
So I took off at VWAP.
nice.
I know it's soon, but
Oh, that's the right call, my guy.
Yeah.
That-
it's kind of choppy.
yeah, like and it was holding good there. It's just but the top is, as I say, it's very heavy. So like because but now SPY is breaking down. Do you see SPY?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh la 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 la.
Oh, la, 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 la.
I think like the percentage that the stock were like up,
Mhm.
it cannot like really end the day at that percentage. Like I
No,
think,
hey,
the
look
day
at
will
you.
go down.
Look at you calling out those things. So I just gonna ring the bell there. I do some partial. So I like the observation that you just put out right there. And yeah, it's because what happened is it's calculated from the PCL.
Mhm.
So
Okay, so PLTR, the bid is being pulled. So we are looking on PLTR, I'm sure you've seen those levels. We've got 82, we've got 81, and we've got 80.
I'm trying to go short on Nvidia at 115.50. And I'm gonna get it just now. There we go. Small size. Let's see. Even if it's small size, it may get me out because the spread is quite big on Nvidia. Yeah, I should be getting a better price, so that was a mistake. But let's see it if it works. I still have my stop loss of 50 cents, but yeah, let's see. Coming back to you. What were you saying?
Oh, no, I said I'm sure that you see all those levels
On the
on
tape?
PLTR,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Like right now I don't have the tape, but I was seeing them previously, so they were like very quiet there. So today I have the goal of being patient. Yesterday I was very impatient, and I ended the day good yesterday. It was a red day, but like
You
I
recuperated a
recuperated
lot.
pretty much everything. So,
Mhm.
but as I said yesterday, I was impatient. Today I want to do an extra effort into be patient with my trades. Yeah, like maybe I should be aiming for 17 on Nvidia, but like that 1550 is very technical level, but it's just it's a little bit old. So yeah, Zach, for what you were mentioning there, like for example, because I look at the stocks very early from the pre-market, I say like, oof, this is high a lot, like by a lot. And then when you look, no, it's just only from the PCL. So like, what I mean, yes, it's high. Like let's say like, what was that? That was like 7%. PLTR is up 7%, but like it closed at like at 80, not even at 80, at like 79 something. So it looks like a lot, but it's not really a lot. And if it is like just inflated during the pre-market, we just give it away, and then it's like, like it may have end the day, like let's say if we end the day like green positive, like 0.3, like 3% positive, it looks very good, but it is not really very good because it was way
Yeah,
higher.
all the move, the 3% down was in the market.
Exactly. So
For day trading, yeah, it's kind of a bearish day. But yeah. But I feel like stocks that react to news like that go up in the pre-market, then during the day it's fading off. So in day trading, it's like bearish day. Do you think it can go to 81?
Of course. Yes, my guy.
You're asking the wrong person.
Yeah, you're asking the wrong person. Like that was part of the thing we were talking this morning, but like from the things we can say is like like yes, the CPI is better, but we'll still have tariff today, or maybe no, or I don't know, maybe tomorrow. Yes, I don't know. Like,
How's it gonna
do we
react
put
to
tariff tomorrow?
that?
No, not tariff tomorrow.
Yeah,
So
it depends, right?
We don't know, so because we don't know, like we don't know.
Have you seen because Doug Ford wanted to tax tariff electricity?
Yeah, he reduced it.
Back down.
Yeah,
But like Trump wanted to do
50.
50% on this deal.
Yeah, he backed down to
yeah. He took it back this morning.
Yeah.
But-
yesterday.
That was crazy.
Okay, I saw it this morning in
Yeah,
Bloomberg.
he took it back yesterday at end of the afternoon after he spoke to Doug Ford.
we
So
don't-
it's at the 82.
We don't know what is going to happen, but hey,
Take another part.
Partial at 82?
very nice, very nice.
You did? Partial at 82?
Yes, I did a little bit below. No 82. Yeah, 82.
It was 82.
It was subconsciously, but it was 82.
Well, 82 was a great partial and a good position there. So I don't like that it wicked. So this here is the level that I had. It wicked there. I want to come out almost, but we'll see.
I'm gonna reload it
If
and
we're
review up.
looking at the if we're looking at the tape, I'm just looking at SPY right now. I am going to the biggest position 40.
I have an order to add to PLTR 8320. Nvidia is trying to go higher, so I'm not sure I want to hold Nvidia. Why is the spread so bad on PLT? I don't get it, but
It's huge.
like I just move an order and it's like 20 cents. So yeah, I add to PLTR as I say, and I'm taking risk on PLTR. I put my stop loss at 84.06. So Nvidia, I'm tempted to add, but that might be the wrong move. Or I want to get out. I don't know. Let's look at that tape, my guy. Come on, like you have the tape.
Okay, so SPY now is
Oh,
interacting
yeah, I wanna
with the
add to-
200 EMA. It seems to want to hold it, but if I'm looking at the RSI, that's through the floor. I think there's still some pullback. It's going to need to happen. Good coffee.
Thank you, Marie. I won't add to Nvidia just because I had to PLTR, but I won't add to Nvidia, but I'm gonna hold. Like I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna. I think it's not gonna get me out. And PLTR, I'm glad that I add. And yeah, that's good.
I added at the VWAP as well.
And let's partial those 82 again. On PLTR, the same partial done previously, but now I have
Great
more size.
discipline.
So, oof, what was that? Something hit on right there. You see that volume?
Yeah, did we have news?
Not that I know.
That's pushing.
We were just waiting for J. Paul to talk, and that's not today.
Look the week on SPY.
Oh, that's
That's what we just said.
another thing. Like J. Paul might be removed from the Fed.
He might be
you
fired.
hear that, right?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. So, come on, like give me a break, like.
Yeah, like uncertainty is crazy.
Uncertainty of top of uncertainty. So.
What a wick. What a wick. But still going down. What a wick. Poof.
Yeah, I'm out.
Great discipline. So Nvidia is gonna get me out probably.
I might flip.
Perfect.
Flipping could be premature.
Yeah, because the SPY is really.
Yeah, but we do have a mixed tape. There's a battle going on PLTR, but it could be a little bit premature. We still do have some sellers on SPY.
Killing me softly in this song. Oh, yeah, my voice is no good. I'm sorry.
Okay, so right now PLTR is entering a stack to the downside, down to 82.
I am willing to partial 82 one more time.
So am I.
Come on, Nvidia. Or you get me out or you go somewhere else, my guy. SPY is in tanking mode, making about to make a lower low.
Okay, it's going to be approaching the 559.50.
PLTR resting at that bottom on that 5 minute. I think that's dangerous for the long.
Went through, coming down. RSI curling down. Partial time.
Say pierce it. If you pierce it,
It did.
I'm gonna be more patient because it pierced it.
Again.
But the SPY was the one that.
Okay, so it is now 50. If it loses
Go
that
for it.
level,
Go for it.
559.
Go for it. There we go. There we go. Another low, my guy. Another low. Oof. He's respecting a little bit too good that 82.
Okay, so
There we
SPY's
go.
pulling back. There we go.
Here comes the money.
What's up, guys? Your inventory is too full today?
Here comes the money.
Oh, who won the yesterday? That
Nobody, because
It never went down.
he never went down. Like, I mean, actually, my bad, Zach, because
You would have been the closest.
No, because we say the low, no? So, if
And the low,
the low of yesterday,
at the end of the day, I think it was 80,
uh,
79 or...
the lowest was 75.46.
Oh, well, there you go, Zach.
So, Zach is the closest.
Woohoo!
what did I
You
write?
say
I thought it was
73.50.
Okay.
Good job, Zach.
I was far still.
Oh, not that far.
So-
From our 70, you were pretty close.
It's okay. Do you want to renew it today?
Okay, so SPY is going down to kaboom. Okay, so it's crossed all level. I'm just going to see now with the biggest one. It would be... Ooh, is that possible? Okay, 558. So 558, and it already no, it did not wick it, so I am going to put that down at 558.
There's a level there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in SPY. Okay, so we'll just need to pay attention a little bit at that level. So
Sorry, I didn't catch it. What is it? Like, what is that?
558.
558.
Will SPY go red today? So far.
I
I don't
don't know. I would like to believe that it will end the day green. But I think it can go red. It can go red and then green back to green.
Yeah, 82 is definitely a battle for PLPR. You've got a little bit of a yeah. Oof. Both tapes are contradicting each other. Okay, Okay, so we seem to have a bullish tape on INET or a bearish tape on ARCA. So we'll see who's going to win. 559 for SPY. We did find some buyers.
Well, Nvidia is looking long. I'm out of Nvidia. I think I'm gonna be able to get a better price if I really want to short it.
Here comes the money.
This is the place.
Merci.
Okay, again at 559.50 for SPY. We'll see. That was an important level. 559.50. Is it going to pull back down from there? Like I said, we've got contradicting tape. The 81.69 for.
Yeah, I'm going for Nvidia long. Crazy enough, I think. Yeah,
I got the LTR long.
nice.
You did
Just
what?
freaked me out. Never mind.
Okay.
You get it.
Yeah, I'm not sure about Nvidia long, but like that tape is looking long on Nvidia. And now they went away.
They're yeah, they go, they pop in, they pop out. So really pay attention because PLTR has been absolutely crazy how they pop in and they pop out. So really, really, really aggressive. Like there's a lot of grain of sands out there today. They go in and they go out. They cancel, they go in.
Really, Nvidia? Really? You didn't look like a short. I mean, like,
82 again.
saying that, but like knowing that it went to 17 today, like, I really have to be patient. Okay, Nvidia is going higher. Look at the tape working.
Look at you being connected to the tape. Good job.
I don't think I am that connected, but like I am trying to.
Okay, so PLTR, though we do have contradicting tape, it seems like the sellers still have some power here. 82 is very important.
I'm
The
breaking even on Nvidia because there is a
559.50.
bid that if it doesn't hold that bid, I don't want to be there.
I like it. So 59.50 is still important for SPY. It is caught there. 82 important for PLTR. Oof. Like really, tape is changing every 2 seconds. For Rick.
Yeah. Yeah, like in Nvidia, I see a bunch of sellers and they walk away right away.
INET is bullish and ARCA is bearish. So that's why we see a little bit of, okay, what are you going to do now? So it's the 558. Yeah, 558 is still pretty heavy on SPY. Is it going to have enough to pull back there? Wow. There's still a very big variation into the spreads. The spread is quite high right now. We're going to see a big move. It's going to flush. Kaboom. So, okay, so it is at 558. Is the position still there? Yes. And it's building at 558. So,
I'm going to retake the short on Nvidia.
big position right now on PLTR that is 80.86. So 80.86
So, Zach, we are at 81.50. So,
going through.
I should have been more patient with that.
Yeah, 558 right now. I knew it. 558. Look at that wick at 558. So 558. It was hot, big enough that it was a buyer. Darn, I should have taken partial there. Frick, I had my level. Let's go. Darn.
Going short Nvidia 115.80. You haven't got me, but I should be putting 79.
Okay, wow. Wow, the levels I've put down for SPY are
Yeah,
spectacular.
you look at I put it in blue even the one.
Look at
here.
that.
Yeah, like,
Poof. Right there, go boing, boing, boing. Between the two, look at that. Wicked it to the penny. Wicked it to the penny.
yeah.
Like it does have value to really monitor SPY.
You know, I like you're gonna cancel. Like Nvidia is very tricky, so I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna look for another ticket maybe. Okay, PLTR I shouldn't be concerned because PLTR is on its own.
INET,
I'm gonna put Nvidia
like I
here.
said though, INET is bullish and ARCA is bearish, and I think ARCA is pulling back.
I'm coming back, guys.
Okay. I have an order to add on PLTR at the VWAP. Still gonna keep my risk on. Okay, so as I say, keeping my risk on PLTR. I want to see PLTR going higher. So what is NVDA doing? So we say it's a matter of discipline. So I'm gonna not short NVDA. I have the little suspicious that it wants to go to 17. I'll be back. Just give me a second.
Okay, so it
Okay,
seems
we're
like
back.
SPY found some strength there. So SPY's interacting with the 200 EMA.
Really? That's what it say.
I'm out.
Do you think SPY is gonna hold that level for good? Or what is your call on that?
Right now, it found a lot of buyers. I'm not sure. I think it is going to be going to SPY could be going to 561.58.
To 561?
561.58.
Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's your line there.
Mm-hmm.
So, PLTI is gonna repeat something that is very interesting because today I have a long time without seeing it, and it looks like if you wanna do it twice. Like first he did it with the top, like that 84 was a heavy top that got broken. Then it did made a bottom at 82, around 82. Like I mean I know the price that it wick, it was like 81.33, something like that. But the volume was put at 82. So I think it wants to break through again, and there is nothing holding below. So if he break that bottom, he's gonna need to find the bottom somewhere else, and that probably is around $79. I don't wanna be too picky about it, but that's how it's looking like. Nvidia was telling me short me, and I didn't short, and now it's also going without me, and that's okay because I say I was concerned about what I see in the offer on Nvidia. Like that offer, let's look back at Nvidia. I think we still have, like that offer have big sizes everywhere.
Tons of buyers there, boy.
Yeah. We're good?
Oh yeah. Tons of buyers right there. So SPY is again at that 559.50.
Kind of don't know how committed is SPY to that.
Yeah. It's
upper
a
trend.
breather. Wow, look at that wick that's forming at 559, pulling back. So I should be looking at our cut right now.
Gonna take a nap now. Gonna be back in a couple hours.
Yeah.
Let's look at Hood today. Will be a day where we're expecting Hood to give something away. Exactly. The same than 2-3 days ago.
Okay, lose it SPY. Let's lose it SPY.
Let's take a little short on Hood. And I want to be technical about that short.
SPY positively reacting and 82.
I have another 2 short in hood, but unlikely to get filled unless it bounces back from this previous bottom. Yeah, yeah.
The spread on PLTR goes up to 7.
I know.
Insane.
You remember yesterday I told you I have an observation going on today?
Mm-hmm. And it's a spread?
No, it's the unfolding of that is going on. So like that's why I say like if the inventory was too low, we fill it up today. We are unfolding that. So like yes, the stock gonna be ending the day green probably, but let's say like PLTR maybe gonna be green like 3%. Like they're gonna look green at the end of the day, but the chart is gonna look like a downtrend. And if that happens, then we go to the little more like we zoom out, and what will be there is the big statement stay true, like it remain to be true, which we are still in liquidation. I know you don't like what I'm saying, but
Hey, I'm trading what I'm seeing. So I know what you're saying.
But,
I
like-
know what you're saying.
but it's part of what I am seeing as well. Like for example, because like what we saw yesterday, well, we saw that those things were going through big, like huge sizes that were at the offer, and they were going with no volume. Like in the counterpart.
Correct.
So, if this information is correct, today is just hey, you know what we are, and they are chilled out. Like I mean, there is no rush. There is no. It's just slow selling. I won't even get hood short because like there is no way that is gonna go and get me there
So
unless
to
I
your-
jump on it.
To your low volume, big candle.
You like for the analysis, you need to have a benchmark. So, like
This.
no, that's not like the benchmark have to be proportional.
Ah, okay.
Like they have to be the same size,
Okay.
or not by the penny, but yeah, like. And there is a nature that happen. Like for example, it's not. I know that it's just that you're not used to, but like what happened at the open, it's gonna be decreasing. So you will need to see if the decrease is proportional with the average stock out there, or if it's more, like if it's out of the average, or if it's above the average, like inside or
Yeah, it's average,
so.
but it is going to be now more. So if I'm looking at the benchmark that you were saying, so if I'm looking at this
Like
candle,
this is
what
a
it
good
did,
benchmark.
yeah, that one or these two too. No?
Yeah.
Okay, 8150. That was what I was saying. I wanted to take partial. Crap, I didn't. I was talking.
Welcome to my world.
I'm back.
Perfecto. Did you
Welcome
leave the
back.
tray open? No.
No,
Ah.
I think might be good done for today.
Okay. Yeah, 79 is his next target on PLTR.
Okay. 8150. Then
79. I think we can go
No.
to 79.
8150. There's another position at 8096. So 8150 didn't go through yet. It's going to go through now. I'm going to be taking
I took
partial.
a little short in hood,
I'm
just
gonna be
like
taking partial.
I don't want to
81.50.
waste it. Like I know it's already extended, but
Still not printing.
like I don't see why hood wouldn't keep going. So,
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
perfecto. That's very. So and then I go back to PLTR. Yeah. Oh, PLTR is really going there. Now it's trying to bounce back up. It's gonna be able to pull that out. We don't know. Nice.
Nice one.
You are trying to catch the reversal.
No. That was a partial.
Oh,
My
that was
short.
a partial.
That was a partial on
Okay.
my short that I said 81.50, but I missed it because I was talking and I knew that there was going to be some buyers, strong buyers at 81.50 if I'm looking at the tape. So,
Mm-hmm.
and it did pull it back up, and as well as SPY at 558.50. Found a lot of buyers there. So now at 82, we know that the level of 82 is important for PLTR. So are we going to find some sellers or is it going to go through? So right now there is a buy. It is strong buy. Like I said, we do have two different tapes. So we've got a bullish tape on INET and we've got a bearish tape on ARCA.
Archer, yeah.
So, and it's the same for SPY. So that's why we've got these crazy battles, I'm sure.
Mm-hmm. Like if you see, look at PLTR for example. That was a low after the open. Didn't make a lower low. SPY make a low, but then didn't make,
Make
a
a
lower low.
lower low, exactly.
So very correlated.
Oh, they're identical. You're right, that's a good point. They're just though not piercing the right level. So 82, let's go. Look at that wick. It's a 40-cent wick on PLTR.
I regret taking Hood the way I took it because I thought we were gonna have more continuation. So it may still work, but yeah, that's what's supposed to be my entry for Hood right now. What it is around now. So it technically won't get me because I have a far stop loss. Like it's very far. Like I took that trade to not think about it, and like I just think it's gonna keep bleeding for a little bit longer. And yeah, I just want to try a different name, like to step out a little bit of the comfort zone. So, and yeah, let's see. Like I had an order, and my order was at 38.80. So you never get there, and of course, like that's why I decided to jump on it. But I have to remind myself every time I want to jump on a trade the way I jump on this one, like, like, is this the best price? Maybe you just want to wait a little bit, and then you jump. Do you have your long, your shirt?
No, I went out completely. Oh yeah, I should have ran.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Zach, if you have a way to manage it, or if it makes sense to you, at around that 82 something, 82.50 maybe, and there is a trade on PLTR.
Short to be?
Yeah. It's already moving, but yes, I will be. If I don't have the short, I will be going short at the 82.50. It's already late for the 82.50, but maybe for the 82. That tape, oh, that's the wrong tape, but yeah, there we go. And the trap is on SPY. It's not on PLTR. It's just a PLTR is doing the same than SPY. Like SPY right now is gonna face another level, or it will make a double bottom there.
558, yeah.
But we get paid to take partial, not to be right. So I want to see SPY doing something there, and then I'm gonna be taking partial in PLTR. It's funny how those partialing yeah, the way I took those trades, that PLTR tape having pretty much tape related. and you see how I partial and then how I add.
Mm-hmm.
Like you will think that we look at the chart to do that, but we didn't look at the chart. We look at the tape, and it's the tape that make that behavior. This time I'm not like if PLTR go at the VWAP again, which I don't think so. If you go at the VWAP again, like I am breaking even, so I am slightly above the VWAP. It may get me out, and I kind of keep dreaming with the bigger trade, but like I don't see why PLTR wouldn't go to 79 now. Around now, like I mean, a couple, like maybe 20 minutes. It's 25.
Don't you think it's a ABCD pattern?
Toward the upside.
I don't know, but
If it is a ABCD, it's toward the downside.
I don't know how to see if it's up or down.
Because for example here, I'm gonna go back to you. Like it's the same half here. So if it is a ABCD pattern, like that candle here shouldn't happen. That red candle here, like let's say we have A, B, C, and then what will be this D? Or if we say that it
On
be
the 1 minute.
the 1 minute, okay. Yeah, if I look at the 1 minute and I want to interpret it, it's toward the downside.
Look,
Like-
at 9:30, 9:40.
Mm-hmm.
A,
Wait for it, I'm gonna go with you there. So 9:40, it will be okay.
A, B at 10, C at 10:08, and D at 10:20. 10:18.
Honestly, to me, it doesn't look like that. But like I know you're able to adjust your chart, so your chart may be looking more clean than mine.
You see how it's doing steps?
Yeah, but
Down,
like,
lower I, like, but the bottom is straight.
okay, I'm gonna show you how I see it personally. Like I see it like we are going down consistently. We do a nice push up here. Then we go down. We do even a bigger push up here. Then we go down. And here we are saying we are less strong than what we were here. So now
Yeah, that's basically what I mean.
okay.
Every push is less strong.
Smaller and smaller, yeah. So it could be a trap, you know, like I'm going counter to what I'm thinking on a SPY, because if you say a SPY here, that push back down was in a very low volume compared to the rest. So technically it shouldn't break the bottom, but it have been doing the opposite those days. So
So I saw the same thing as I went long at 82.
okay. You went on at 82, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because to be honest, I want to add to the short at 82.50. So there is a little trap on my head there, but like, let's say I have Hood, so I won't add. Let's see Hood what he wants to do. But that 82.50 for me, I will be adding to the short if it will be. If I wouldn't be trying to be conservative, and today I'm trying to be conservative because
Okay.
I messed it up yesterday. Well, I messed it up. You know what I mean? I misbehave. So let's put Hood here like that I can see. Then Hood is gonna get me out, and it's like it's just very dumb for me to go that way. But like I don't even have my stop loss on a technical level on Hood.
No?
No, it was just a shot. Like it's like, know why I was expecting that to work like that, but which is the trade is like the trend is still there. Like that trade still can work. It's just I did the worst execution I could do on that one specifically.
Mm.
So technically, that's not how it goes. I don't know. SPY didn't look that good in the last candle. I know it didn't make a lower low, but what do you have for SPY, Marie?
I have SPY that it seems to be resisting right now. I've got a RSI that is gaining strength for SPY, and if I'm looking at the tape, it's,
I'm gonna look at the tape with you. So.
yeah, I broke even and got me out. Yeah, no, if you're looking at the tapes for SPY, there seems to be some sellers. Yeah, 82 for both.
Yeah, SPY is concerning toward the downside too.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't see any big size toward the downside. Like
No.
if I like $1 below, 557. Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll see what's going to happen at 81.50 again.
55.57 have 40 lot. I know the number is important for you.
Yeah. 81.50 we're going to see, because that's definitely forming a very strong support at 81.50, and that's the biggest guy again. Is it going to lose it?
It almost looked like a triple bottom, but
Yeah. And it's losing it.
killing softly with this song. Killing me softly with love. Killing me softly with this song. Target is 79. My target is 79 on PLTR. I tell you, I don't see why we wouldn't go to 79 on PLTR. Makes no sense to me. Today, my like I had a thesis, a hypothesis about what I was observing,
Okay.
and the hypothesis right now is being confirmed. We have to be very nimble about it because, hey, as Mariana was saying,
Comes the money, 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 money.
the market can do a lot of moves before it really manifests the reality of it. So
Yeah.
maybe Hood have been a little bit oversold in the overall market conditions, but I am not very connected to this stock, so SPY pierced it, and that was with a momentum. Like there is momentum on that downside on SPY. So I think we're gonna need to fight a little bit with the 557. 557. And yeah. Look at you flippy, huh?
No, a migraine.
Migraine?
My vision is half there right now, so
Aye.
I might be taking a little break. I need to squint a lot.
So for me, guys, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
On homework to do.
You were green, red today? What about?
Green.
Nice.
Nicely done.
Nicely
Yeah, like I was basically I got down 0.5 hour
Mm-hmm.
and made 3.5 hours
Very nice.
and down one hour
So you're in like 2 hour up.
or a bit less.
Okay. But it's a green day. Very nice. And it's just a
Good
couple
job.
hours.
And if I were like my short, if I hold it all the way down, it would be a 10-hour trade.
Very nice.
But partial is better for sure.
Partial is better.
Yeah, yeah. No, like part of the conversation of this morning was that it's like that's my faulty here. So but we are working on it. We are working on it.
Good discipline.
So
But yeah, my last out was a bit too. I should have kept it.
you only trade PLTR today?
Yeah. No, I got Nvidia.
You got Nvidia too. Nice.
I tried to go short. Yeah. Short on Nvidia.
Yeah, like Nvidia seems to be stronger than PLTR today. It is actually stronger than PLTR today. So I just noticed it. So yeah, it's
Got short and lost 0.5 hours. I don't know why. I missed it.
like my training hood is only trying to incorporate a stranger to like let's say I know it's not a stranger, like I have been trading hood in the past, but like because I have been only trading PLTR and Nvidia, I want to have something different.
Mhm.
So I took that bite on hood there. It's very small size. It's just like the other day. It did the same behavior that it is manifesting today, and that day it ended the like very low. Like I mean, so if it's the same, like maybe it can go like maybe $2 down, and that will be very okay. So, but yeah,
Yep, so I have homework to do, so I'm gonna go.
okay. Have fun, my guy. Nice to have
Bye,
you as
guys.
always.
And
Bye. Good luck.
Bye. See you then.
I'll be there Friday.
Perfect. We're gonna be here.
You there?
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, look at this. Starting in May, Skype will no longer be available.
Mm,
So it's gonna disappear after May.
really?
Yeah, they have a note there.
Hmm. That's going to be different, eh? If a lot of people are using one.
Yeah. So you see with the phase 1, phase 2 that I was talking to you
Yeah.
right now, if I say I go all out of PLTR,
Mm-hmm.
I will be more than target for the day.
Okay.
So I will be able to leave hood for the rest of the day, and I could even add to hood and leave it for the rest of the day. And that will be what I am trying to implement. Phase 1, phase 2. So phase 1, you hit target, or you have enough money that you will say, I'm okay taking a
I'm
trade
okay.
and leave it open.
Mm-hmm.
But let's say that doesn't apply. Like you don't go to phase 2 if you are red, or or if you misbehave, you don't do phase 2 because you are just unable to handle it.
Okay. But you don't do phase 2 to try to recuperate your P&L.
That's what I did yesterday,
Okay.
and that's against my rules.
Okay.
But yesterday, because I was very off, I did it and it worked. So, but yeah, I shouldn't be doing that.
Okay.
I want to get. I would like to get well informed about what is going on with like I know it's not something that is gonna happen very fast. They are just talking about J. Paul,
Mm-hmm.
like
That'd
possible
be
replacement.
yeah, that'd be sad. He's done so well for the States.
Well, I think he's gonna be taking good vacations and going around, but like
I'm sure he won't
Ford,
be out of he'll be out of employment as long as he wants to be out of employment.
for the economy, yeah, it's gonna be funny.
He's done a good job.
And that
It's
doesn't
just
mean
like
that
ours,
who's gonna
right?
come-
Our Mark Carney did such a good job that he went to the British Bank, right?
Yeah.
But my guess is that he's not a yes man. So, being not a yes man, he needs to move. Because if you're going to be under Trump's administration, you need to be a yes man, yes woman, just yes. Yes, my king. So, if that's not what you are, and he's already said that he's not that, then that pretty much sealed his faith as a babaila.
Yo lo obey. So I just need to do this because I want to see like how wrong I am, how far like well, no, yeah, exactly. It's exactly
Or how right
it's,
you
it's
are.
Exactly, yeah. It's
It's not wrong. It could
what
be
what
very
I
much
just did there,
right.
Marie, was like I say I need to like the tape on Nvidia
Mm-hmm.
was crowded at the offer, very crowded at the
Okay.
offer, and I say, let's see, are those guys still there? I don't like in my head like I don't expect them to see them like, but now we are crowded to the downside. So, man, like that's
It changes like this.
it does, but that's what I mean. Like now it's you see it stay kind of solid there,
Mm-hmm.
but man, like it's really that simple. I mean, I'm not talking about trading. Just like the interpretation of it is like of this tape is it that simple? And when I say that, like you remember from last week, I'm saying like I want to look at the tape, and instead of me trying to do what somebody is trying to teach me, like because I am learning about the tape, I told I'm on a course. But like what I'm saying is like sometimes when I try to do dispersion technique, like there are things that I do not manage. Like I am not fully capable of doing because lack of experience.
Okay.
But then I say, okay, so what can I do in the in between? Well, identify what you know. It's like what you have already know from it. So
That's
like, let's
good
say
now, right?
you see a stacking
knowledge
here or
you've
there,
got
I trade
already.
out of that. So identify the play or the setup and then trade that one.
Yeah, you said that, several times. Identify the setup. And I think that's what Zach was trying to do as well.
Spinal just broke the 57. It's trading below it. Like,
Mm-hmm.
oh, it's okay.
No problem.
We're here hanging out, you know.
55.50 now for SPY.
I'm breaking even on hood.
Okay.
Do I really want to do that now? No, wait for it. I'm gonna wait for it. Because I think we can interact a little bit yet with the 3750.
I'm gonna put that here. 80. My petite migraine is gaining a little bit of momentum, so I am going to be very, very cautious. Because I don't think I see things properly. I squint a lot. My vision is definitely a little.
What do you think if we take a little break?
I might. I'm just
Yeah.
going to
Hey.
get. Not now, not now. I just
Okay.
want to see the momentum of this candle for SPY. And then we'll see. Oh, a lot of sellers there. Oh, God. Look at that spread. Wow, a lot of blue, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see that thing?
Yeah, people buying the dip.
Mm-hmm. Aggressively?
Yeah.
And SPY did not make a lower low.
But also didn't went up 57.
No, mixtape. Nice. Let's go. A mixtape.
This is about the time that the big volume coming, you remember?
Mm-hmm.
And then it just keep going the way it was going. Okay, SPY wants to make a lower low. We've got a spread of 7 popping up on PLTR. SPY making a lower low. PLTR does not want to make a lower low.
SPY now interacting with the PCL.
That's why the slowdown.
Yep.
But towards that question, well, SPY is red right now. It's 0.03% up, so it's just a penny from being in red. So probably it really went red already. So there we go. Okay. Yeah, it went red right now. Buy the penny.
Okay, push up from SPY. Okay, SPY is really pushing up. PLTRs as well. We filled up a lot of buys. I filled my position. What a week.
I want to add to hood
Are you long or short?
short.
I believe it's flipped.
Yeah, it's looking like right now. So I didn't add.
seems to have enough momentum on both to clear 82. We will see. If it doesn't, I'm out.
Where I did add was in PLTR,
Okay.
but that's a free. It's like I'm not adding risk in there. If I do it in HOOD, I will be adding risk. But in PLTI, it's free trade.
Okay.
And there we go.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Jala, jala. So I told you, you're gonna go and take a nap. Come back 2 hours later and let's see where this thing is.
Look at the wicks on SPY.
What time frame?
2 minutes. It's a dollar wick.
Ay, ay, ay.
We found a lot of buyers here. Let's see. What a wick.
That candle, I think it looks like a test. At the 57. Like
Think so?
the 1 minute, the biggest candle print average volume, and the previous candle print like very high volume compared to. So it looks like a trap for the bulls.
Doesn't-
Like here, like if you go in the 1 minute, there is a like here. You see how big is that? But that big is not this big. It's this one. That one is the hammer, and this
And
one
it's
is the
reversed.
biggest. So
Okay, so SPY's at the PCL again. You know,
who is testing my patient?
okay, SPY going through the PCL. No, actually. No,
Trying.
No, it's trying, but
It's
it
trying,
doesn't
but
want
it's-
to.
What happened? Like, do you have a red line right below the PCL too, or not?
A red line?
Yeah, no, I do. And that red line is a 3 days low.
Mm.
So, like, we have the PCL plus 3 days low. And there we go.
Let me see the 2 days low.
So, just to clarify, like, based in the observations I was trying to tell you yesterday I was doing,
Mm-hmm.
or I told you yesterday I was doing some observation behind. Like, the market, like, those stocks are doing what I was expecting them to do,
Mm-hmm.
which will be the unfolding of like Yeah, well, we need to go to the web world to be able to talk about that one, but it's like,
It might not be today.
yeah, I
if
know,
this
yeah,
is-
yeah.
oh.
Like, not the best day for your migraine.
Go. Not saying your voice.
Look, it stopped right at the red line now, which was right after the PCL. And now it broke again. So I'm getting ready to take a partial on PLDR as I add. It's a matter of the discipline, so
I like that. Good job, good job. And still flushing.
mm-hmm.
And SPY is flushing. There's definitely resistance, eh, for PLTR. Nice,
Here comes the
nice.
money. Money, money,
So technically my target for hood supposed to be 37. I think that when we ring the bell we talk more. So 37 should be my target on hood. That hood up to now is basically 1-to-1.
Okay.
But once he hit 37, what I'm doing instead of going out is once he prints 37, I will be breaking even. What is the reason behind? I'm expecting continuation, and I am already a target. I have more than my target for the day. So
I like that.
yeah, so I'm gonna be breaking even and then leave the trade for whatever he wants to do. If PLTR go to 79 specifically, I would like to be out.
Okay.
But 79 is my target. I don't see why we wouldn't go there. Any trades, Marie?
Hmm?
Any trade?
No, not yet, but I want to catch a reversal scalp on PLTR right now.
Nvidia making lower low very quiet.
Is it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I agree with anybody like that will say this, but like in hood, I did pick the low hanging fruit. So, but I see something I am incorporating. Like I am just trying to trade something different than PLTR and Nvidia once in a while.
Yeah, and that's a really good thing.
Why would I put myself in a hard spot? There's no reason for. So I am already breaking even in Hood, as I say. We are just 10 cents from that 37. So probably I should be all out of PLTI instead of holding for longer.
80 looks good.
And like that, I am able to execute phase 2 correctly.
Because you won't be taking any. 80 looks good though.
On PLTR?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but
Your 80 looks good.
yeah, it's
Position still high.
yeah. I won't say anything about those 80s. You know what I'm gonna say? Maybe I'm gonna use it as a out. Not because I believe that it's gonna hold, but because I believe it's a good spot.
Well said.
Okay, let's get those good, PLTR all out very soon. I am very close to get PLTR all out. My friend, you are going there like nothing.
Yup.
PLTR, I know your potential, but I just want to be nimble.
You're all out?
Out.
Here comes the money.
Look at you. Beautiful. Love it.
To be able to show something to somebody, you have to practice it yourself and show with the
Correct.
sample.
Me gusta mucho.
So
Okay, so now it's at 80. so let's take that time to do that weekly. I have to use another app for that, so For what?
I want to see what was less Republicans government law. Wow. As I say, we don't do that based on the chart, based
Okay.
on the tape. But look what a beautiful thing. Short, partial, add to the short, partial, short, like add to the short, partial, add to the short, partial.
That is textbook. That's textbook.
It's
That is beautiful and that is textbook, Davey.
what an execution there.
That was beautiful. That's perfect execution.
I have to say today I also was more patient at the open too.
And you kept saying it.
Like
Practicing your patience.
I took to
practicing
red
your
trades.
patience.
like yesterday I took 4 red trade at the open. Today I
Mhm.
took only 2, and then let it go. So yeah. You see Hood moving against me? That's why I say I have to be breaking even after the 37.00. But what I want to see it is losing the 37.00. Like I know it cannot work. Like that trade is like it can literally get me out easy.
Can it?
Yeah, because he had as PLTR had a decent at 80.
Mm-hmm.
This guy also have a decent side at 37.
Okay.
The guy actually market there, but yeah, but the game like the phase 2 trade is a trade that, as I say, it's like let's see if we can hold for the day, and if we end the day as I am expecting it to end the day, well, it's gonna be good. But if not, I don't have to take any more trades because you hit target.
Which is nice.
What mistake I did is that I have a very bad entry. Sorry about that. I'm very sleepy.
Hardworking man.
We, what did I say? Yeah, what I said I want to do, I want to check the low of that. So we have that somewhere here. So if we say that this is a SPY, and we go, let's say in a monthly chart, this is when Vladimir Putin invaded Ukraine. Kobe was in 2021, like he hit the America in the 21.
January.
Very nice.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
I love what you did there, and I haven't even watched. But I know what you did. You scalped that little pullback.
Boom.
I was trying to do that when I was practicing your skills. So, like when I say I'm expecting a similar pullback from this, like from that time, it's not that we're gonna go. Oops, I don't cancel that. It's true. I have 4 keys in this software. So is that when I say like the percentage is what is gonna make I think it was March 2020, not 21,
Oh, that could be, David.
because it's COVID-19, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's just like be more responsible. Let's see. When did COVID start in America? January 18, 2018. What?
Mm-mm.
No. Yeah, yeah. This makes sense. It was during December 2019 to January. So let's say we say January. So we're gonna be able to see the peak in 2019, right at the end there. So what happened is that the market didn't sell off. Okay, so it's this one. Oof, we are very close to that thing there, but we go now in a weekly chart, and we only, like during COVID, we only sell off for 1, 2, 3, 4, for 5 weeks only.
Really?
Yeah, it was just that was very abrupted.
Okay.
So basically, if I say what was that pullback from COVID?
They said that the low was in 2022. Right? So we hit a low of 2022.
No, not like because then, yeah, the second was Ukraine.
Okay.
Like for example, you see here,
It's been a while, right?
Yeah.
That, they've been on.
this is COVID high, then it pulled back. Those are 5 weeks pullback. So it went all the way up, and then here was Putin in the Ukraine, and then we experienced like a bounce from here.
Mm-hmm.
So, but now percentage wise, like we are very far from it. It's like the market have doubled pretty much from COVID, triple from COVID outbreak. Like from the low of COVID, the market was 3 times almost its value. Almost 3 times. So if I say, what percentage is that? So let's see. We have 339, and I'm gonna round it minus. I hate when this thing does that. So the pullback for COVID
Mm-hmm.
was 35%. So minus, like we went minus 35%.
That's insane, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so SPY seems to be pushing to retest the PCL again.
That's a big candle on the SPY.
Mm-hmm.
So if we say SPY, oh no, hood is gonna get me out.
SPY is at the PCL. Stalling a little bit at the PCL for SPY. found a lot of grain of sands for PLDR.
Yeah, maybe I'm exaggerating.
Are you?
Yeah, because my analysis say that the pullback is gonna go to 399.
I think somebody's gonna take care of that before that. And I'm not gonna say what I mean. Okay, so we've got a strong RSI on SPY.
Man, that's a lot.
That is a lot.
Let's remove 5%. It's unbelievable.
Well, as we say too, right? Like COVID and all that good stuff was really a big glitch.
429. That's doable.
Is it?
Oh yeah. So 429 or 399. 85%, 30%. That cannot be right.
Hmm?
That cannot be right.
Cannot be.
Like the index cannot go to.
You kind of think that, like I
429,
said,
right?
somebody's gonna take care of it before then, but you kind of hope
429.
that somebody's gonna take care of that before then, but
Ay, papi.
I know it's kind of a dire prediction that you're making.
But like, yeah, but like what happened, like, again, like, I mean, we are thinking as human beings, like, I mean, and we are reflecting our human being in the market, like, in those numbers. This is just numbers. Like, I mean, what I did literally there, I just took the pullback from the last period in on a unpredictable thing that just happened because it was accident, like it was an accident, whatever happened. Like say, like nobody predict a pandemic.
No.
And this time I'm saying the only reason why I say the pullback could be similar is because the fundamentals of what move, like fundamentally talking, things have changed. Like, I mean, there is a lot of uncertainty. So,
Yeah.
just in case we ever come back, 399 or 429 predictions for the pullback. But this is just for fun, so don't pay any attention. Don't make any financial decision based on that. But it's like, oof, that would be painful.
That would be. And that would be very dire, like I said, very dire. I'm hoping somebody's going to intervene by then, but
I'm out of hood. That's good.
I have 5 hours on PLTR long.
Very nice. Very nice you keep it. Just watch out, you know.
Yeah, if it goes through 51, 81.50.
Because that volume doesn't look like the
81.50.
volume I will be looking for a reversal.
Mm-hmm. Like 81.50 is important there.
Mm-hmm.
We print 81.50 and then it should go to 70. And then I believe at 70 I'm going to be all out. But it needs to reprint 50. Do we have enough grain of sand? Don't know. Could be.
I finished my training for today. Like, I mean, I gotta like respect my rules and all those things.
Oh, I love it.
So little by little, let's get there.
I love it. Okay, so it's reprinting 50, and yesterday we'll go to 70, 70 being the 200 EMA. So what is it going to do there? Oh, wow, 82. Wow, Murray. What are you going to do? And the order holy cannoli. You are shitting me. I'm sorry for the language.
Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice pop. We have to see PLTR, like my watch out level is 82.
Me too.
Like I know we have 82 to 82.50, but 82 is a good point
Bye-bye.
of observation. I don't know if you will be served by that 182, but yeah, of course you will be served by 82.
What do you think I'm going to be? I'm going to be well served by 82.
Just because it is expected, be careful with possible front running. I don't see it there yet.
I think I see it.
You see it?
Mhm.
Oh yeah, I see it.
You
yeah.
see it?
Yeah. So.
Lots of grain of sand. So it's going to be close to wrapping up.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you saw it? They didn't even print it. Those little beep.
Beep.
You're gonna have to have that. For now, we have.
Good one.
Oh yeah, it's like
Okay, so it is going to go. It is going to go to 82.
the bid is getting pulled out.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to put panic on you, but
No,
it's just like
it's going to go to 82.
okay.
And,
Yes, boss. Extremely. It's like well, the volume is okay. In the 1 minute it's not okay. In the 5 minutes it's okay, but yeah.
So, wrapping up your trades.
I'm micromanaging your trade right now,
Oh, nice.
mentally.
Mhm. I like it.
Yeah, like like
Yeah, we find a
if you
lot
look
of
at
buyers
Hood,
at the 50, 81.50.
like if you look at Hood that is weaker,
Mm-hmm.
like it just got me out, then it moved. Like well, it haven't moved, but then it went back in. So I wouldn't be surprised if the rest of the names do back in too. SPY is coming back in as well after interacting with the 57.
And there it goes.
Very nice. Look at you, very decent. Look, 81.99, 81.99 by the penny. Very decent stacking right there. Now 82. Now 82. Okay, we're gonna go to 82, and we went through 82, and we are holding 82, and then Marie is gonna ring the bell. I think. Ooh, yeah, she will.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
And now I could reload for a short there, but like
Took it there.
we're gonna be disciplined today, having a good day. So very nice. And thank you for the call out because that was my out. You see, I am coming all the way out there with my short. Like basically, Marie, hey, watch out for the 80. So I came out at 80, and she went in at the 80.
And took a long.
So like I took all my short out, cover everything, and she went long. Yeah, like 80 to 50 is so tempted for me to go short that I'm gonna make sure I wrap up this very soon and I don't take any more trade. But 80 to 50, beautiful short. Even 82 will be a beautiful short, I think. We never know what this is gonna do,
And we're
but hey, technically we have profit to give away if you wanna try that. So yeah, that's everything for today. I guess I'm gonna walk you through my trades. So I am working in slowing down at the open because that's my killer. Like
Achilles heel.
yeah, Achilles heel, talón de Achilles.
Yeah, talón de Achilles.
Yeah. So yeah, basically like 90% of the time my mistake is the same mistake.
But you
So,
didn't do it today.
Like today the action manifest, but it's not a mistake because I did it thoughtful. Like I mean,
Consciously.
like it was planned and that was it. Like what is that? Like for example, I went short here, short didn't work. Look how many like I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like about 10 minutes didn't touch it again. So I want to see the price action really acting there and seeing
Very good
what it comes
discipline.
with. Then I shorted here. Got out. No, this was a long. I flipped. This is a long. I took here whatever it was, like maybe like 2 hours. I don't know. I don't remember. Then I'm confused here. Let's see.
I think that was
Short,
a short.
all out. Short. Okay, yeah, it's short all out, and then I went long and I got all out here.
Broke you.
Yeah, maybe a little red, but not by a lot. So Nvidia, I didn't make
And
much.
then you walked away.
I walk away from Nvidia because it is stronger. But this is the guy where we did fantastic.
Beautiful.
So
Short at the
so
top.
short at the top, I say, you know what? I
Oh,
like what I
add.
see here. Add here, partial. Then you move aquí, here, add again. Partial, partial, add, partial, add, partial, all
Oh.
out. That
That
was a
is
very nice
textbook.
dancing here.
Textbook. That's
No.
a textbook trade.
And
Me
this
gusta.
this will be like here, like maybe it will be playing with fire, but like, as I said, I'm not taking more trades today.
Mm-hmm.
Like maybe I can observe a spy, but in my opinion, this can keep going down. We never print 79 and like 79, 87, but
Tape is flipped,
Yeah.
so I believe that we would play with fire at the moment.
yeah, like let it play 8250, and then you can have a clear idea.
Look at the
8250.
RSI on PLTR. Same with SPY, very hard. So yeah, we need to let it. There, we found a lot of buyers here.
Nice.
Yeah.
So what about you, lady?
Well, I did a little bit like when I wasn't able to see. That's why, like I said, okay, I'm gonna sit on my hands and wait for PLTR to do the reversal because I was really flippy for a little bit there.
Mhm.
And really, all my money was made so on PLTR long, short.
From the 80s.
Yeah, and PLTR, I kept like flipping long, short when it was between the 81.50 and 82 right here. Long, short. And then I was going short, but really at the bad price. So I've lost 1 hour on the short. And then I just said, okay, wait, I'm gonna breathe, wait till the vision comes back, and I'm going to see its reaction at 80, and that's when it bought. So I'm happy that I did wait because I probably could have lost more. Note to everybody, when you can't see properly,
Don't
sit
trade.
on your freaking hands.
Yeah.
Jeez Louise, like literally. But yeah, no, I did too many flippies there, and between that range, so it wasn't at the tops. I went in at the bad price, so yeah. But I'm glad that I exercised my patience and my discipline. The fact that I had a migraine definitely helped to say, hey, take a pill, lady. And yeah, my trade at 80, going in at 80 and coming out at 82 was really good.
Yeah. Well, cool. So another trade that I just forgot. This is gonna be very fast. I forgot. Also took hood,
Oh yeah, that's right.
and this is trying to take different names. Like I mean, I broke even here. Like
Yeah.
I mean,
Good
once it
discipline.
interact 37, and now I think it's gonna go to 38.80. So I will be favoring the long if ever, but I am not taking any more trades. So yeah, I short here. The problem I did with that short is I knew this possibility here, that it could go back up, but when I took it, I didn't think about it. I just dropped off my stop loss on top of I don't remember which high here. It didn't get me out by the penny here, so I think it was around there. So, but yeah, didn't work, but didn't lose anything on it, so I'm okay. It's just I'm trying to incorporate different names. Like I know we are very comfortable trading Nvidia and PLTR, but the idea is that as we advance in the learning, but we trade any name, and yeah, any name, different management, but that will be a good thing to do eventually, little by little. So yeah,
I like that.
I hope everybody have a good day. If you like what you see, feel free to like and subscribe. We are here every day from 9 a.m. to 11:30. So yeah, that's everything for today. Have a good one.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.